Hello viewers. So today we are going to Karjat. It's kind of a most sought after destination for all the Mumbaikars, especially during monsoons. But monsoons are over now and we are going now in the month of October. But the atmosphere is quite pleasant still. I mean, ज़्यादा धूप नहीं है and it's quite good. I mean, journey has been quite good. We left in the afternoon. Actually, the check-in is around 4 o'clock. So हम चाय के टाइम पे पहुंच जाएंगे यहाँ पे. ये जो पहाड़ दिख रहा है ना, उसी के आसपास का ही है क्योंकि पिक्चर्स में ये पहाड़ दिखता है. एक्चुअली वन ऑफ आवर फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैव ऑलरेडी बीन हियर एंड दे रियली लाइक द place, so then we thought we should also give a try. So I'm basically going for a family picnic now. और ये अंदर अंदर का रास्ता है. एक्चुअली हमें एक गलत रूट ले लिया बीच में, तो थोड़े से डी रूट हो गए थे हम, बट अभी वापस हम ट्रैक पे आए हैं और अभी बस कुछ ही देर में पहुंच ही जाएंगे. इट्स नॉट वेरी फार. अगर जगह पता है तो 2 घंटे से ज़्यादा नहीं लगेगा. हम फर्स्ट टाइम आ रहे हैं इसलिए थोड़ा सा ढूंढते ढूंढते टाइम लग गया. तो ये अंदर गांव का रास्ता है. सो यस, वी फाइनली रीच्ड हियर. दिस इज़ NBN-DB's हॉलीडेज़ करजत and we are going to be staying here for a night. Wow, see, look at the mountain I was telling you. Amazing view. Well, our family members have already arrived. We were the last ones to come. The property looks really pretty. I really like the color combination. Isn't this beautiful? They have a nice sit-out area for each villa. This middle area is basically for dining. There are total 5 villas and the rooms are quite spacious. I mean, 3 to 4 people can comfortably stay. This is a small patch of garden in between. Quite well maintained property. This building that you see is basically their dormitory. They can accommodate around 5 to 6 people comfortable. And these are AC rooms. This is a lawn with some kids activities. Wow, this view is really amazing. I've taken this from the dormitory and it really gives an amazing feeling. I'm sure during monsoons it would really enhance the beauty of this place. So this is the room, the first room, complete white, and it really gives a royal feel. इसमें pictures काफ़ी अच्छे आते हैं. Okay, so that's my mom and my niece. They are enjoying the swing. So बच्चों के लिए काफ़ी entertainment options हैं यहाँ पे. Well, now you know that my love for swing is hereditary. That's my Jiju. He loves karaoke singing and he's really good at it. He always entertains us. So, अच्छा, so this is Chillar River. We just discovered this place. My Didi knew about this place, so she brought us here. Around 30 minutes drive away from the place where we were staying. टेम्बरे करके एक गाँव है, वहाँ पे ये जगह है. और ये जो आप देख रहे थे वो एक हेरिटेज साइट है. I'll take you inside the cave now. We need to take out our footwear outside. They have one caretaker here who looks after this place and basically gets paid by the government. काफ़ी अंधेरा था अंदर, बट हम डे टाइम में गए थे तो इसीलिए it was quite manageable. काफ़ी ठंडा भी था अंदर. So I'm glad we discovered this place actually. I didn't know that it was here. मैं first time आ रही हूँ यहाँ पे. But it's a good, a day picnic spot, I would say. So let's go to the river. Let's check out the river. काफ़ी मस्त नज़ारा है. That's my father and my husband. काफ़ी बड़ी नदी है ये, मतलब स्ट्रेच वाइज, एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल साइड, वेरी सीरीन. कहाँ देखने को मिलती है ये सब जगह मुंबई में. So yes, these excursions are really important, and I really love exploring such new places. Such a quiet place, you know, away from the hustle and bustle of the city. So please have a look at the pictures that I've taken at the property and at the riverside. See, I was telling you about the royal feel. Look at this pic. It has really come out well. I mean, I really got a lot of compliments, I would say. And I love to pose. Especially when you have such a beautiful background. I mean, who is standing in the picture, that doesn't matter. I mean, I think people enjoy the background the most. And natural background में हमेशा pictures अच्छे आते हैं. That's a tip, by the way. I mean, just try. So हम पोस्ट करना नहीं छोड़ते कहीं भी. And I really love to take such beautiful pictures of the nature. So it remains in our memories. I mean, I don't know when will I visit this place again. और वैसे भी मुझे एक जगह बार बार विज़िट करना इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता. But this was a good place. I mean, if you're staying at NB's and DB's holidays, then you can definitely visit this place. Something different, and the pictures will really come out good. I'm telling you guys. बहुत अच्छी जगह है. Your family will enjoy. Don't take the elderly people because there's a little bit of walking. But otherwise you will enjoy the beauty of nature. जैसे मैं कर रही हूँ enjoy. प्रॉपर्टी में काफ़ी फूल पौधे दिखेंगे आपको और अच्छे से मेंटेन किया हुआ है सब. So it's really nice, I mean. And we also discovered this new friend. My nephew was wearing a shoe and he just bumped into this little fellow. A frog in the shoe. It's a nice place, good food and great atmosphere. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Do give it a thought for NB and DB's holidays Karjat on your next trip. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe.